Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Steve from Blue's Clues. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start with two little eyes right here on the top end of our page. We're going to draw two horizontal lines and we're going to make it nice and round at the top. Let's do two light reflections inside the eyes, top and bottom. And next it's time for the pupils. And we can fill the pupils in. Right above the eyes, we're going to draw two eyebrows. Again, I'm just going to draw the bottom part of the eyebrows, two lines, curvy lines, and then we're going to do the top. Between the eyes, just below it, we're going to draw a little button nose, and right underneath, a little smile. Now Steve has a pointed chin. I'm going to start from here. I'm going to make a dot, and on this side I'll make another dot, two indicators, and then one here at the bottom. So I'm going to make the chin with a sharp point, and on this side we'll just bring it up again. Now let's start with the hair, the fringe. So I'm going to draw a fringe, just a few hooked lines, bring it back just past the eyebrow, and on this side we'll do the same thing. We're just going to draw a few jagged edges, and we're going to stop there. Now we're going to do the side of the head, so I'm going to make a little round curve, bring it down to the chin, and this side just make it right nice and round and bring it down to the chin. Right on top we're going to start drawing the hair. Now I'm going to take the hair around. I'll just make some indicated lines for me out, so this is how I want my hair about, and then we're gonna draw the head or the hair, just a few jagged lines, and you bring it back. And now for the ear. Now as you can see, the ear is from the eyebrow to the nose, from the bottom of the eyebrow roughly to about the height of the nose, and we're just gonna finish the ear off. Next we're gonna draw the neck, just two lines out, and we're gonna make a V. Just make a little V, and from this V we're gonna draw the collar of his shirt. Now I'm gonna bring it out and I'm taking it over like this, and on this side I'll do the same thing, just draw a little collar, and in there two buttons, and maybe another button there as well. The torso, I'm going to make two little indicator lines for me, and I'm going to draw a torso. So I'm just going to draw a sort of an hourglass shape, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing, a little hourglass shape, and I'm going to connect these two lines for his jersey. So we're going to draw the shoulders, not very wide shoulders, and roughly there, just above, you can connect the bottom of the arms, and we'll do the same thing here as well. So there we go. And now there's stripes on his shirt, so let's draw the stripes. Let's draw the middle stripes first before we continue with the arms. Doesn't have to be straight lines. Now we have sort of indicators. I'm just going to make my lines a bit higher, just to show a little bit of. And now let's finish up with the arms. There's one arm, and here I'm going to draw another one there as well. The pants, we're going to draw a little skew line there, And then on both sides I'm gonna draw the leg with a little kneecap, and on this side I'm gonna copy it as well, a leg, little kneecap, and let's make another cap below, or just a little mark there. And I'm going to continue with this now. So the inside of the leg is going to be a bit shorter, so it's going to be a bit shorter than that, and this side we're going to do the same thing. The legs is going out a bit, the bottom part of the legs. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the shoes. So I'm just going to draw the pants going over the shoes, and as you can see I make it quite big, and on this side I'm going to make it big as well. And that's going to be my shoes. And now let's do the pants. So on the outside I'm going to draw a few wrinkles. I'm just going to follow it through and connect it to the knee. On this side let's do the same thing, and you're going to connect it to the knee. It looks strange, but you'll see it's going to work out beautiful. And then on the inside draw another few lines up, and this one let's do the same thing. And I'm going to draw another fold there, just like that, and there's the legs. Good. And now for the shoes. I'm going to bring the shoes out roughly the same height, and these two are touching each other, so I'm just going to show one line, take it over, take this one over. For the two hands I'm just going to keep it very simple, and I'm just going to draw two little balls for the hands, and then for the soles of the shoes. There's one, and there's the other, and we're going to just draw some lines here to give it some texture. And there's Steve. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Steve will look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.